Hey guys, so out here testing out the new Wuben X4. This light is really cool, guys. There's a lot of settings, so we'll try to get in a little closer here for you guys to see. So there's quite a few settings on this. So we've got moon, and you just click that once. That's just a regular light there. Click it to turn it off, or you can just slide the selector down. And this is like the high beam, adjustable beam. So it's on high there. It's all the way up. And you can turn it all the way down, you'll see it flash again. That means it's all the way down. And if you want to go back, you just double click. So it'll take you right back to that high beam. And then double click again, it'll take you back to your other setting. You can turn that off with using the clicker. And you can also use the button on the back here. So you have on. You have double click is like a tactical, and then there's the LED. Oop. So you can adjust that as well. You can adjust the color by using the wheel. So this wheel right here. Now there is some other settings on this. Give you a heads up now, there will be a strobe. So you can go through those as well, but just by double clicking. Okay, so you can turn it on and then hit it twice, and then it'll flash. And you can select the color of that as well. So if you want it green, or if say you want it red, double click, and it'll flash red. If you want it yellow, double click and it will flash yellow. So, and if you want it to do the strobing where it's the two lights, you just double click. And then there is a lock setting here. So there's your lock. And then to charge, USB-C is right there. Now the bottom is magnetic. There's a handy clip right here. Here's a little bit close up of that wheel. So you can turn that to adjust your light as well. So let's go test this out. So that's just kind of a quick run through of all the little different settings on here. Oh yeah, and then there's the front beam there. Sorry for the close-up, guys. So there's a cave nearby here. Let's go check out the cave. And let's take the Wuben X4 along and test it out. Let's see if this thing really lives up to its grade. So far I'm pretty impressed. The build quality is very good. It seems pretty sturdy. I like the different settings. That kind of tactical flash there, I'm not really sure. So if you just want to hold it on, so all I'm doing here is holding this right here, and that turns the light on. You can also double click it and use it as a tactical strobe. So I thought that was pretty cool. And same with this one. So anyway, let's go check out that cave and we'll give the Wuben X4 a little bit of a test run. We're in the middle of the tunnel. So let's hit the light. That's all the way down. That little flash lets us know it's all the way up. So you guys can see Wuben X4. So we'll go through those settings again. Double click. Oh, let me turn it off first. Double click. Just push it on and then it comes on. Turbo. Double click is that strobe. And we'll go to moonlight. There's moonlight. So you can barely see moonlight. Perfect for low light. Let's click back off of that. And we'll go to the LED. So again, you use the wheel to adjust that. Double click makes it strobe. You can turn it off, double click, and then it makes it do the different strobe colors. And again, that back is magnetic. Let's turn it back on so we can see without smashing our head on the rocks. get back out of here. Also, just to let you guys know how to change it from the LED to the white light on the side, and then that white light is adjustable as well. So. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed that review, hit that like button. If you're thinking about buying the Woobin X4, definitely recommend it. It seems like it's well made. It's come in handy already. I can see some other additional uses. I'll either drop a voiceover when I do the description and let you guys know what I think those might be, or I'll put them down in the description down below. So we'll see you guys in the next video. So that's the Woobin X4. You guys can see from the cave front. So Woobin X4. Guys, check it out. I'll drop a link down below if you want to save yourself some money. Check it out. Use my link. I get a little bit of a cut out of that, just so you guys do know. Very small cut, but check it out. Woobin X4. And look for it on some future videos. This is definitely going to be a game changer when it comes to cave exploring.